Okay. All right, so we're going to start off today by adding and subtracting radicals. Nothing's much different. This is stuff you guys should be somewhat familiar with. But until we can do it, we're going to do it. Okay, so if we have 8 square root of 13 minus 5 square root of 13, the key thing about adding and subtracting radicals is you only can do it if they have the same radical. Tyson, Hans, shut your Chromebooks now. Anybody else has it open, shut them. Hurry. Now. You just got an 80 on your quiz. You just got a, okay, you're down to a 70. That's all right. Okay, here we go. So that becomes 3 square root of 13. You only can combine them if they're like terms. If they're not like terms, you cannot combine them. Okay? The same thing, so if we happen to have something like 4 square root of 2 minus 3 square root of 3 plus 6 square root of 2 plus 7 square root of 3. If we have a problem like that, you only can combine things that have the exact same radical. If they do not have the same radical, then you cannot combine them. So 4 plus 6 is 10 square root of 2. And then negative 3 plus 7 is positive 4 square root of 3. Not yet, I don't really mind. I think this is something you guys already know. So, alright, and that would be your answer. That is it simplified. Any questions on just adding or subtracting radicals? Okay. What about if we had something that was a little bit tougher? For example, like the square root of 50 plus 3 square root of 8. Yeah, the very first thing you have to do is simplify, right? You can't combine them right off the bat because they don't have the same radical. So what we're going to have to do is simplify the radicals down to 5 square root of 2 plus, there's a pair of 2's here, we've got to bring it out and multiply it, 6 square root of 2, right? So then what we can do, because they're like terms, is we can now combine them to make 11 square root of 2. Everyone good at that one? Okay, so far I don't think we're anywhere that we haven't been before. This is stuff we're actually pretty used to. I'm going to let you guys try it on your own real quick. Let's go to if we had 3 terms. 5 square root of 45 minus the square root of 20 plus 6 square root of 5. Factor that. Adding and subtracting radicals, yep. Okay. So if we do this, Ava, help me.
Well, I can't see that actually.
Well, how do we factor 45?
And then 3 and 3.
Okay. What about 20?
2 and 10.
Okay.
2, 5.
Okay, so we have a pair of 3's. What do we do with those 3's?
Do 5 divided by 5.
So we have 15 square root of 5 minus Pair of twos, 2 square root of 5 plus 6 square root of 5, right? So we get 15 minus 2 plus 6, or 19 square root of 5. Who got that one right? Good. Okay, part of this, listen. Part of this goes into like distributing radicals and things like that. I'm not going to go over that. We hit that yesterday when we divided radicals, okay? Where we had to distribute them. What I am going to hit right now is I'm going to hit, there is a problem on this that is actually pretty hard. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write it down and I'm going to let you guys go after it just to see who can get it.
And he's gonna do it.
Probably not. So we have 4 square root of 7 plus square root of 6 times the square root of 6 minus 6. Okay, I want you guys to go through that real quick. Let's just see who gets to it. I'm going to let you guys go. I just want you guys to test yourselves. Everyone do it. I want to see pencil in hand. So tell me how to do it. Hey, what do you got to do? Boil. Let's do it. Boil. Lily Rogers. But do this. Hurry, Sam. I'm going to give you another minute. Logan, you got it? Okay. Quiet. Hey. All right, let's do it.
Wait, give me a sec.
Okay, Ava, Jordan. All right, I'm going to move one of you up here to move your mind over here if we're not more quiet.
Where is going front or back?
Yeah, I prefer having, I've always had the whole numbers by myself.
If I'm not right, I'll be very surprised.
Max, turn around. Max. Max. I'm going to do it. Turn around. Okay, here we go. So 4 square root of 7 times square root of 6 gives us 4 square root of 42. 4 square root of 7 times negative 6 square root of 7 gives us negative 24 square root of 49. Square root of 6 times the square root of 6 is square root of 36. Square root of 6 minus 6 square root of 7 is negative 6 square root of 42. Okay,
I got that far.
now we need to simplify. So look at this. Can 42 will it give us any pairs?
No.
A 7, a 3, and a 2, right?
Yeah.
But check this. It has a like term, so I'm going to combine them right now to make negative 2
Oh my gosh, I need this.
square root of 42. Now those are gone. Okay. What's 49 go down to? So we can go negative 24 times 7, which is negative, okay, and then plus 6, because the square root of 36 is 6. So negative 24 times 7, because the square root of 49 is 7, so you need to multiply it. So your answer, we'll see who got it, is negative 162. Negative 2, who got it?
Square root of
Not
4
bad.
can be reduced.
No, I can't.
No, it can't. A 7, a 3, and a 2.
What if I
It looks
got
like it can, but
negative
it
26 and then
Oh,
square root
I reduced it.
You're wrong. Okay.
48?
Hey, your assignment's there. That's it. You guys can do it.
Nicely done.
Either way, probably. I'd probably rather like it written like this, but either way works.
I like mine red. I do not. I definitely don't.
Do you think just the notation messed up a lot?
Oh, no, no, my
You're like this. You like it red. Every single time. I would be on my back. Why?
Because I could qualify to win a
Because you owe me
$1,000.
$1. My thing like $100.
Ava, 20.
Yeah.
But